Welcome back to Motor Mindset 1, where today we dive into the exciting world of Ferrari's latest marvella, the all-new Ferrari Roma VXX 2025. This car is redefining what we expect from the Italian supercar manufacturer. Elegant, powerful, and packed with cutting-edge technology, the Roma VXX is a machine designed to make heads turn, whether you're on the track or cruising down the road. Let's start with the heart of this beast, the engine. Under the hood, the Ferrari Roma VXX houses a stunning 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8, which delivers a breathtaking 620 horsepower and a torque figure that pushes the boundaries of performance. This power plant is mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring smooth, lightning-fast shifts that are almost imperceptible. With this setup, the Roma VXX will rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, an exhilarating figure for a grand tour. And when it comes to top speed, you're looking at a staggering 200 miles per hour, truly showcasing Ferrari's expertise in engineering speed and luxury. Now, let's talk design. The Roma VXX keeps the sleek, refined design elements that made the original Roma a beauty, but with a few key enhancements. The front is more aggressive, with the larger, more prominent grille and sharper lines. The rear has been reworked to feature an active rear spoiler, which adapts to driving conditions, optimizing downforce and stability at high speeds. The car's profile remains classic Ferrari, smooth, aerodynamic, and undeniably stylish. Whether you're looking at it from the front, side, or rear, every angle is a masterpiece of automotive design. Inside the cabin, Ferrari has upped the ante. The interior is a blend of luxury and technology, with premium materials like leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. The driving experience has been fine-tuned for maximum comfort, with an intuitive digital interface that includes a higher-resolution touchscreen, an advanced navigation system, and a high-quality sound system. But it's not just about the tech. The attention to detail in the craftsmanship of the cabin ensures that every inch of the interior feels bespoke and uniquely Ferrari. Performance-wise, the Roma VXX is equipped with Ferrari's advanced adaptive suspension system, which provides an incredibly smooth ride, whether you're cruising on a highway or pushing the car to its limits on a winding mountain road. The car also features Ferrari's innovative Manuetino drive mode selector, allowing you to adjust the car's dynamics with ease. Whether you're in comfort mode for a leisurely drive or in race mode for track day thrills, the Roma VXX adapts to your every need. What about safety and tech? Ferrari hasn't compromised here. The Roma VXX comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These systems ensure that even in a car built for performance, you're always in control. The Ferrari Roma VXX 2025 is a testament to Ferrari's relentless pursuit of perfection. From its breathtaking performance and stunning design to its advanced technology and luxurious interior, it's a car that's ready to take the driving world by storm. Whether you're a Ferrari enthusiast or simply a lover of high-performance machines, the Roma VXX is a car that commands respect. That's it for today's video, folks. If you enjoyed the deep dive into the Ferrari Roma VXX, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe Motor Mindset 1 for more exclusive car content. Let us know in the comments what do you think about the new Roma VXX. Until next time, keep your mindset on the road and your foot on the pedal.